What's cracking? Bringing you another wet bike video from Sold Out. First of all, we want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subs. But you know, that's just not going to cut it. We want to get out there on the water every day and retire. All these views, no subs, no follows. Come on, guys. You guys have absolutely rocked my socks off with 1,000. Let's blow the shoes off this hawk. Let's get out there.
Martin, that package for Commander Bond. Bring it in quick.
This guy is so jonesed up. This guy.
Let's go, dude. I've been running the stock exhaust for absolutely forever. Last one to get one came with the metal stainless. Come on.
Last one to get one, but he's got the nice exhaust.
Yeah, actually, Roz, he hooked it up. Blake hooked me up with this bad hog. We got the Jetworks on there. Come on, talk to us nice. Let's get it going. Let's get it installed. Let's get it installed.
How jones are you? How jones are you to get rid of this massive vacuum cleaner unit? Just break it off, honestly.
Here, do it. Just pull a one take. Pull a one take. Pull a one take. Let me get going here. Yeah, the guy's absolutely jonesing.
Hey,
you know they used to call me T-handle. Check it out. I get the T-handle.
Not this again. Hey, what's the over/under on the install time on this?
Over/under on the install time?
5 minutes.
Well, judging by, I don't have.
You don't have it in 5 minutes.
I don't have the proper tools in my hands.
Is your dad's name T-handle?
Did you say T-handle?
No.
Yeah. He sees me in the garage and he's like, "Hey, T-handle, come in here. It's dinner time. Mom's got the food ready."
And go. It's the tradition.
No, I'm selling it on Facebook Marketplace. Million parts go for high dollar nowadays.
No, that's T-handle right there. You think there's going to be any sound difference with it being metal?
Only when it's out of the water.
Hopefully.
Or I'm revving it off of a ramp.
Hopefully it pings.
Wow, this is looking sick, Skeet.
Jetworks exhaust is installed.
First startup. Let's hear it. Let's hear the metal ping. Sounds better, maybe.
Sounds sick.
Whoa.
Not bad.
Whoa. This is crazy. I got a monkey bar in here.
Well, I need to get that wet bike in the water. Is she ready or what?
Dude, she's ready. I did some heavy hog gluing. Dude, can you ride the wet bike up the grass? That'd be so sick.
No, that sounds dangerous. I'm going to catch the back skiff.
Why are you shaking?
I'm not.
That's how he always is.
Okay.
I'm not shaking.
Well, it counts.
I don't shake.
You have
I'm
Parkinson's.
absolutely jonesed also. That doesn't help.
Last time we took the wet bike out on the water, the switch was shocking us, and it would inconsistently bog down and die. So, Mr. Mechanic, what did we have? What was the issue?
Non-waterproof switch. So, the switch is shorting out, causing a draw, and making an inconsistent spark. AKA, wet bike cuts out and shuts off, doesn't turn back on. Absolutely.
That's some crazy waterproofing.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That should do the trick.
Let's get this thing out there.
It runs perfectly though.
Let's rip.
What's wet bike?
No tune from my guy today.
No tune. I submitted the wrong VIN to Riva. It goes like this. My vehicles. And then I got this one on here. Apparently I just made from scratch. But really this is my jet ski.
And it doesn't work? Sounds like it's reading. Switch to existing VIN. Select one. Goodness gracious, bro.
Sorry, I got all jumped up.
All right, well, the tune is for another day. Who gives a f? Time to get on the wet bike.
Derek's first day on the wet bike.
What are your expectations?
Expectations for myself are a full speed corner. A successful full speed corner. Daylight's going down.
Yeah, we're in need
We're
of
getting out there though.
an urgent rip. The thing that I would say it compares to is a street bike. Don't turn the bars and
How many
just
street bikes have you ridden?
0.
Me neither. This thing hooks right to my suit. Holy shit. Skinny fella wore this last time. I got the dad weight on.
Too much speed.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on.
That's all.
Get on there, cowboy. Ride the bull.
Balance first on the back. Oh, okay. Lean forward! Looking like 007.
Oh, yeah.
That was so on.
Oh, my.
Dude,
Don't hit the dog.
Oh my gosh. I thought I was going to hit you folks.
Yeah, it looked like you were.
You have to lean, you can't turn.
I felt like I was ripping good until I got over here. I was dangerous out there.
Trying to turn the bars.
Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Good thing I had the dock to get me going.
Balance first, balance. There you go. So then lean when you go.
They've got to be pissed. Going right next to their dogs. Oh my. Holy sh**. Damn. Buddy's ripping.
It's actually incredible. Damn. You guys see what inside that is nice. For the viewers at home, or all those little keyboard warriors that were telling us about the no wake zones. Well, we've lived here for a long time, and that's a dud over there. It's got a little dummy buoy next to it. It's fake. It's also not, they're not supposed to be that tall either.
The wet bike looks like it's riding him now.
Yeah, he's really trying to tame that bubble. For the bridge.
Oh my god.
Wow, look at that sideways gunner. How's the fridge ride?
Sick, brother.
Sending it, bro. I love it.
The Sub-Zero is getting nasty. We should get graphics that say frigid air on the side.
That's what I was thinking.
That's kind of a good idea.
Make it actually look like a fridge.
A fridge. Or like if you open up the door to a fridge, like have like you know the graphics that have like the assorted shelves. With ranch. Oh no.
Oh no.
And she took on water. And we lost Spark.
Dude, I was ripping it.
We lost Spark. Well, that's it for the wet bike.
The wet
boys.
bike really is bipolar. It's really bipolar.
Yeah, well, I guess the waterproofing wasn't enough. So stay tuned for episode 4 of the wet bike.
Every two-stroke breaks every episode.
Guys, when are we going to have an episode where we have a running ski?
You railed it really hard in here and then subbed her a little bit, and as soon as she got wet somewhere, it cuts out. I haven't quite figured out where it's cutting out. Are you getting shocked on the switch? No. Well, that's good. We solved that problem at least.
No more 220.
Maybe the coil is actually going bad. I don't know.
We can't take it out in the deep water because of this. This is why.
We really want to jump it though. But you only get one shot.
What do you think of the wet bike?
So sick. So sick.
You were ripping it.
To ride necessarily. I'm getting up. 3, 2.
Nice dismount, brother.
Dude, why the hog not want to go?
It's because something got wet.
You were getting squirrely.
No spark.
I love it. When are we gonna get an episode where something runs the whole time? No.
It's not it's not really us. It's not really us.
It's our equipment.
Yeah, you break for no reason. What are you going for? You getting on?
No. Can we get like a mechanic special on here? I mean, I know two-strokes pretty well, but this is really weird. I'm about to just start buying parts for this thing.
We're on the verge of flying out Grind Hard Plumbing.
I was wide open out there.
It gets up and goes.
Dude, it was flipping.
It was ripping.
The front end clacks like you have air suspension on a dirt bike and you bled all the air out of it. What a piece of shit. Well, I mean, it's not a pile of shit. It runs nice, but I mean, it's a water bike. A little bit of water shouldn't cut the hog out. It's almost like there's a sensor in there that senses some exhaust fumes. So you can't ride anymore.
Man, no, there's no it's not that smart.
Well, it has that nice fan.
The fan's disconnected. The fan actually is locked up and it just makes weird noises. No fan at all. So I thought that's what was drawing the spark. Because every time something gets wet, you take the spark plugs out and it's hitting inconsistently and then cuts out.
There you go.
Hey, do you know what's wrong with this thing? Runs like we bought it, ran mint for like 14 seconds. It runs like take it to the antique store, see if they can work on it. Check this out. See this Ninja Warrior got right here.
Oh. Every time you got this thing running mint, it proves you wrong.
Yeah, I know. It runs mint in the garage, runs in the water.
Every time we got it running mint, we're swimming with it.
Maybe we should just convert it to a regular fridge. An actual fridge, you know?
I'm starting to think we should four-stroke motor swap.
Everything.
God, that would be sick.
Dude, I'm actually so confused.
Why does the wet bike hate us?
The thing's gonna end up being a wall piece.
At this rate.
You gotta do 20 hours of work for 4 minutes of fun.
That's not a good trade-off.
Not even half decent, really.
Oh, whoa. Okay, it might actually be a fuel problem.
I don't see anything.
No spark.
No spark, no fuel.
No spark and dry plugs.
I think the dry plug is probably because I was giving her the rev out. That's the most revving she's seen. Was it running that good since 86?
Our wet biking days are over.
I touched right there. Shocked me twice.
Again?
Oh, you touch it again? Yeah, up, dude.
If this reaches any wet bike enthusiasts, please give us some tech tips.
FaceTime would be ideal.
We need them. This is more than a forum post needed. We need a FaceTime.
So I don't know if any of you guys have ever ridden one of these, but the thing rides like a Hayabusa street bike with no motor, coasting down a hill. But once you get to like almost a dead stop, you can't turn at all. You give it gas and it just goes straight because you can only lean to turn.
Are you still getting shocked?
Yeah. Not you.
This is some serious sketchiness going on
It's
here.
water.
We're deleting fuses. Look at this. This hog's all burnt up.
Oh, the thing's fried.
So I figured might as well get it out of there. I remember the two-stroke days. You don't even want to know how many times I drug my square nose up onto docks. Hunk of dog water. Traded it for an F550. Got my Superjet now.
We know that our videos lately have just been full of non-running jet skis. But I'll tell you what, it's not for lack of trying, that's for sure. This guy's over here absolutely grinding on the jet skis day and night, trying to get these videos out for you guys. But we just keep coming up short. We're gonna get the wet bike dialed. This thing's gonna be absolutely hammering through the water, and it just might take a little bit of time. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned, because
Hit the subscribe button if you want to see me in Crocs again. More Croc videos.
I don't know if they want Croc videos, but if you guys subscribe, I guarantee you this thing one day will be ripping consistently every single day. Let's see if this thing will start one more time for us. Knacks, and all.
Oh, there's no plug. I forgot.
Yeah, well.
It's called insanity. Doing the same thing over and over and over and hoping for a different outcome. AKA wet bike. Look it up in the thesaurus. Insanity. It comes up with wet bike.
Maybe we could do a collab with the Sea Boys, and they can show us how they got their wet bike to run.
They didn't. They had one video and that was it.
Oh.
They didn't even run for the video.
All right, well then that's good. It's not just us.
It's not just